Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about the COODIA Internal Green Water Killer Aquarium Filter Tank UV Pump. Hands down the best aquarium green killing machine out there. If you've been struggling with algae blooms and murky green water in your fish tank, then this is the game changer you need. The COODIA Green Water Killer works effectively to clear your tank water within 3 to 7 days, depending on the size of your aquarium. With its built-in 5-watt water pump and UV light, it tackles both saltwater and freshwater tanks with ease, cleaning up to 75 gallons of water. Whether you're dealing with a 40-gallon tank or something larger, this filter ensures that your water stays crystal clear without any hassle. Setting it up is simple. You can easily submerge it into your tank, and once it's powered on, the UV light starts working immediately, targeting the green water caused by algae. It's designed to clear algae and other impurities in your tank, allowing your fish to thrive in a cleaner, healthier environment. If you're wondering if this filter is working, there's a small indicator light at the bottom of the unit that confirms it's on. The indicator can sometimes be a bit hard to see in bright environments, but once you turn off all surrounding lights, you'll be able to spot it. If you don't see the light at all, simply remove the casing and plug the filter in to check the blue light from the bulb, ensuring everything is in working order. Now, let's talk about durability. If you ever find the bulb broken due to shipping or accidents, COODIA offers easy replacements to make sure you can keep your tank clear without interruption. It's built to last and provides consistent, powerful filtration for your aquarium. This filter is specifically designed to handle 110 volts electrical systems, which is perfect for use in the US, but unfortunately, it cannot be used in areas with 240 volt systems, like in parts of Europe. So, if you're tired of seeing cloudy, green water in your aquarium, the COODIA Internal Green Water Killer Aquarium Filter Tank UV Pump is the solution you've been waiting for. It's easy to use, effective, and reliable. Say goodbye to green water and hello to a crystal clear tank. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of products that make your life easier. See you in the next video.